dear God, I pray a lot of those times, and I wish my life going better. I don't know the future for my life, and I wish to see all the things going turn around. My life is just a nightmare. Even my friends are telling me to stop. I don't know how to do it, but God. I even go to church, I even go to school too. I even go to Sunday church now. I wish you can answer my calls now. Dear God, I love you a lot now. I love you a lot now. I love you a lot now.
I don't know my future, what is it? I'm going to heaven, not all to certain. I have lots of things, I know myself. This earth, I missed a lot of things. I made a mistakes, lot of mistakes. I'm going to school to study for my future. I trust you, God, and I pray for you. I'm going to pray, I'm going to church every Sunday. Trust you, God. I need your blessing. Bless my future. What if it simply happened? I don't know, God. I need these boosts so I can tell you I'm andithi intsikelelo zakho andilazi kusasa lam lithini ubani owazi obvious it's you. God, please, I need your blessing. I want to go to heaven, not to Satan. Please forgive my sins, a lot of them. Please God, please. I made a lot of things, please God. I love you.
I love you, God now. I love you, God now. I love you. I love you. I love you, God. I love you, God. I love you. I love you, God. I love you. Yaktanda winangu wangu Zuktanda zatiku Wena wabetele liskambalini Akiku You fine,